जब मैं छोटी थी तो हर कोई मेरे आसपास जो होता था ना, लाइक स्पेशली द लेडीज, लाइक स्पेशली माई मासी, मॉम्स, बुआज एंड एवरीवन, whenever they used to get together, the one common discussion used to be weight loss. ठीक है. And at that point of time, when I was like 6, 7, I used to think that how can these ladies only talk about weight loss all the time? Like जब मैं बड़ी हो जाऊंगी ना, मैं 24 घंटे weight loss के बारे में नहीं सोचूंगी ऐसा. Yeah, now that I'm in my 30s, and आज से पहले मैंने कभी इस चीज़ पे फोकस नहीं किया है कि ओके वेट लॉस करना है, बिकॉज आई बीन प्रीटी ओके. बट ऑफ लेट ब्रो, clothes aren't fitting, they're looking weird. It's like I have to buy an M size and I always was S. And now I understand why it's there in their head all the time and it's just like bothering. But I know I have to work on it. You know what I mean? So there's certain things I'm gonna, do from now on. Like for example, let me just show you. I loved wearing this dress, but I stopped wearing it for the past year because I was like, no, I'm not looking good in it and stuff like that. So let me just show you the dress, okay? Ignore the mess behind, but just look at it. It's just, I mean, still okay, but I just don't have that kind of a confidence that I used to have. That's all I'm saying. So I need to work on it. And I have never done diets in my life. I've never left sugar. Like this is my first time I'm trying to do something like this, okay? So what my goal basically is, doing like a hard 7. I'm going to start small and then gradually and slowly make it go up and see what that goes like. I've got this ring from Gabbett, this one. Now I'm not somebody who's too much into understanding all the heart rate, sleep rate. Itna to main kar bhi nahi paungi, to be honest with you. What I'm going to do is basically step counts and just see कि मैंने in this app ना, there's this thing of you put in कि आप कितना खाना खाया है पूरा दिन में और आपने कितना कैलोरी लूज किया है पूरा दिन में. So I think that can kind of help me understand that if I am in a calorie deficit, because lot of times आप छोटा छोटा knickknacks खाते हैं और आपको पता नहीं लगता कि आपकी कैलोरीज कब ऊपर चली गई. लाइक एक मुट्ठी पर अगर बादाम भी खा लिया, so then it's that in itself is like 500 calories. So I'm gonna like figure things out for the next 7 days and see what kind of difference it makes. 10K steps every day. Then I'm going to finish this gallon of water. What I'm going to focus more on is, because मेरे को वो पूरी डिटेल करनी पड़ेगी कि प्रोटीन क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है, वो मुझे तो अभी पूरी प्रॉपर मैंने की नहीं है. That I'm just going to try and remain under 1,000 calories. I'm going to stop having sugar. Content creation is something that I love and it tends to motivate me to do something like this because I take it up as a challenge. If I just do it within myself, I find it hard to stick to things. More than for you guys, it's for me in this weird way. Anyways, let's hope I stick to it. Okay, bye.